tear down and turn this thing into the pro car. Start by getting all the body panels off and just stripping it down and go from there. So let's get to it. So I'm going to change all this, make better mounts for this. This oil cooler is going to come inside the frame rail, so we're away from any sort of contact with this corner. I got the nose panel and the bumper off. Pull this fender off next. I gotta check for damage behind here, because last Gambler had clearly an incident with somebody's car who was cutting out, and he kind of just kept trying to push through it and straighten in front of me right on turn 1. So pull this thing off, see what we got behind it. Where's the drill? Oh.
I gotta bring it out of that.
Got it. That'll buff out. Alright. Ooh, this thing's poked in pretty good. Fucking Jersey dirt. Put it on the list. Yeah.
Put it on a soft fucking bed.
Can give the difference. fender's almost good. I think it's gonna need a serious washing. Key is get a box, wire bolts in a bag, so they don't get lost. Man, these doors are heavy. Yeah. Dude, that's gonna shed like at least 50 pounds. Cutting those doors out. Need my window switch here. Don't shatter these windows when I'm storing the doors. Oh yeah. Because race car. Yeah. Pin might be bent from that hit. Of course it is. Of course it is. There it is. Yeah, so I'll have to hammer that back flat so I can get these doors back on. It's alright. Yep.
Where you going?
Probably over at the doors.
Huh?
Over at the doors, standing up. Just like that, she's naked. Oh. Yeah, there's all rocks over here too. All rocks up here too. So's that. So's that.
That is true.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, the fuck was that on?
Probably when I fucking bashed that wall. The gambler.
Was that with this setup?
Yeah. What I'd like to do is keep the engine bolted to the motor mounts, pull everything off, put the motor plate on it, and make the mounts for the motor plate with the engine still bolted there. Get this front done, and then pull the motor mounts off.
Mm-hmm. Fuck, almost leave the motor right in. Just pull the front of it off.
That's what I'm saying. Literally just pull the accessories off so I can bolt the plate to it.
Yeah, you need the accessories for the other car engine.
Yeah. And just leave that thing bolted right in. Put the motor plate to it, make the mounts, and then it'll be exactly where it was. I think that's what I'll do.
It's a little fucking twisted, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I do. That'll fucking just like it is.
Yeah. Jersey mud is everywhere.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna come off. Guess we'll pull the seats out next. Yeah. Just like that, she is all torn down in the skeleton. So now, go to our handy dandy list. First of many. Start knocking things off.